My name is Brent, and I'm the owner of Cracks and Chips Windshield Repair, serving South Salt Lake and the surrounding areas. We specialize in providing top-tier mobile windshield repair services designed to minimize disruption to your day and maximize your convenience. At Cracks and Chips, we understand that a damaged windshield compromises both the aesthetic appeal and structural integrity of your vehicle. Whether you're facing a minor chip or a more substantial crack, our team of highly skilled technicians is equipped to restore your windshield's clarity and prevent further damage from spreading. We utilize advanced repair techniques and high-quality resins to ensure a seamless and durable repair, effectively restoring your windshield to its optimal condition. Our commitment to customer satisfaction extends beyond our technical expertise. We strive to make the repair process as simple and stress-free as possible. Our mobile service comes directly to your preferred location, whether that's your home, workplace, or any other convenient spot within our service area. To ensure transparency and affordability, we offer a straightforward pricing structure. Our mobile rock chip repair starts at a competitive $40 for the first chip and just $30 for each additional chip repaired on the same vehicle. For your peace of mind, we encourage you to take advantage of our complimentary damage assessment. Simply provide us with a clear image of the damage, and we'll promptly contact you to discuss the most suitable repair options and provide a personalized quote. To learn more about our comprehensive services, explore our service areas in detail, or review our transparent pricing structure, please visit our website. Should you have any questions or wish to schedule an appointment, please don't hesitate to contact me, Brent, directly at 385-219-9100. We appreciate your trust in Cracks and Chips and look forward to serving you.